Greetings, everybody. My name is Michael O'Malley. I am a student at University of Advancing Technology. My major is network security, and here I am today providing my first post for my student innovation project. A couple objectives I want to go over is the background of my project, what it is, why do I think it's so neat, the innovation claim, and a little summary of my weekly status report. So why don't we first go to my webpage and see what's going on there. So I called it Ankheg's Assistant. So what that is a fictitious creature commonly heard in Dungeons & Dragons role-playing games. It's a big creature, it's a carnivore, it likes to burrow through the ground, making tunnels. Hence the term tunnels. What I wanted to provide was a standalone, self-configurable I2P, Invisible Internet Project application. A lightweight and easy to use, gives the user the freedom and the power to configure it the way they want to. So why don't I bring up a little diagram of mine. So over here I have a nice little paint diagram I created. Kind of gives an overview of what I wanted it to do. So the same host is ourselves, a computer with an operating system where my tool will be sitting. This big cloud right here is the internet cloud, and these three endpoints, granted it could be one or multiple endpoints, but these are the other end of where these tunnels will be created with the protocol SSH. What I wanted to do is create a packet smuggling network, not for any malicious or devious purposes, but a way to secure your comms, provide the user the availability to define how they want to set up, and pretty much set up your own personal I2P network. Let's go back to my presentation. So one of the spreadsheets that was provided in the class, I've been using that for documenting my tasks and the amount of time I've spent doing these tasks. So right here I have about 4 different tasks that I have dedicated to this week. One was determining researching coding languages for this project. I came to the conclusion that Python would be the best way of doing this, since I had the modules and already the libraries available to facilitate much of the functionality I needed for this project. I went online to various sources, vendors, to try to find different virtual servers I could use for this. And I think the best way to produce an I2P network is to have servers around different parts of the world from different vendors. I spent quite a bit of time on the project webpage. Excuse me. And then I listed a material for the SIP resources request. Right. It doesn't take a professional with trend analysis. We can see most of my time highlighted here in the red was where most of my time and effort went to this project, which is the weekend. Okay, this is something I think about how I can move forward and to be more productive throughout the rest of the week, where I have to set aside some time to, besides my other obligations, I have to fulfill this project. It's nice meeting you, and I appreciate you listening into my innovation project, and I'll talk to you soon.